Hi guys, welcome back to Rochelle TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a smoothie in a bowl. I have my ingredients ready, but if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly please do so. So let's get into the video. We have some ginger, some aloe vera, strawberry flavored yogurts, and some avocado and some ice. So to get the gel out of the aloe vera, because that's what we need. So now I'm extracting the gel. You can always add more depending on how much you need. There we have our gel. So we are going to blend the smoothie. So we are going to start blending. This is the ginger and the gel. There we go. We're going to pour our avocado. Yep. Time to blend. So we are adding the yogurt to the avocado. That. There we go. So we are going to pour our smoothie in the bowl like we said, and voila, look at that. Yep, very nice. So grab your spoon and get ready to eat. So that's it guys for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you.